Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing from the chapter Audit of Items of Financial Statement. Particularly, we are discussing the topic other income comprising interest income, dividend income, and loss or gain on sale of investments. Okay. So before going to the topic, explanation, I'll show you one question which she's asked in the previous attempt, so that you'll get the idea that how examiner is going to ask the question in the examination. Okay, so I'm going to read the question. As a statutory auditor of the company, list out the audit procedure required to be undertaken for the recognition of the following other income. Okay, the first one is interest income from the fixed deposits, dividend income, and gain or loss on sale of investment in mutual funds. Okay, so this is the question. I hope you are able to see the question in the display. So now I'm going to tell you the answer. I'm going to read the answer so that you're definitely going to get the idea that how you have to answer the question. Okay, so let me read the explanation. So any form of income earned by an entity which is not linked to the entity's core business operation is generally classified as other income. Okay, any income which is earned by the entity which is not related to core business operation, it's not related to main business operation of the company. Okay, it's known as other income. So in that other income there are three categories. Okay, the first one is interest income. Interest income on fixed deposits is recognized on a time proportion basis. Interest income on fixed deposits is recognized on time proportion basis. You need to remember this word, time proportion basis. Okay, taking into account the amount outstanding and the applicable interest rate. Okay, again I'm going to read it. Interest income on fixed deposits is recognized on a time proportion basis, taking into account the amount outstanding and the applicable interest rate. Okay, in this point you need to remember time proportion basis, and you can make the sentence out of it. Okay, you know that, right? So after that, the second one is dividends are recognized in the statement of profit and loss. Okay, dividends are recognized in the statement of profit and loss only when the entity's right to receive the payment has been dividend established. Entity's right to receive the payment of dividend has been established. Right to receive. You need to remember the word right to receive. It is probable that, second point, it is probable that economic benefit associated with the dividend will flow to the entity. Economic benefit. You need to remember the word economic benefit. Okay. It is probable that economic benefit associated with the dividend will flow to the entity. Okay. The third one is the amount of the dividend can be measured reliably. Measured reliably. You need to remember the word measured reliably. The amount of the dividend can be measured reliably. Okay, that's it. That's the second point. And the third one is gain or loss on sale of investment in mutual funds is recorded as other income on transfer of title from the entity. On transfer of title from the entity. You need to remember the word on transfer of title from the entity. And determined as the difference between the redemption price and the carrying value. Redemption price and the carrying value difference. You need to write the word, the difference between the redemption price and the carrying value of the investment. Okay, so these are the three things you need to remember to write the answer. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.